Hi friends, today I shall be explaining a super exciting way to teach opposites to your young ones. This is a very unconventional yet super interesting way to make them learn while playing. So let's begin. If you can see, I have made these two bingo cards, opposite bingo, card 2 and card 1. I have included basic 18 sets of opposites for toddlers. To play this game, we require 3 people. Preferably the kid and one of the other player chooses these cards. I have made 18 flashcards corresponding to each of the opposites listed on the cards. Now let's see how do we play this game. Supposing the person calls out black. So the person having white, the opposite of black is white. So white would have to be struck out by the person having this card. Let's take one more example. Let's see if a person calls out right. Now let's see which card has left. This has left. Now we cut this too. In this way, while playing, kid unconsciously learns all the opposites and he enjoys the process too. As the game proceeds, the person keeps striking off the opposites of each word, and the person whose all the words are struck off first is the winner of this game. I hope that parents feel that this game adds value to them and makes the learning process fun for their kid. Thank you so much. If you love this video, please keep watching our channel and keep looking out for more creative and fun ways of learning. Thank you.